Students, good morning. Students who are in the online, am I audible? Okay. So now let's start the discussion. Previously, today is the last day. Yeah. What is that? Yeah. I'm not getting you. Feeling sad. Why? You need to do job now. Come in, come in. You need to do job or not. So do that. So when you are coming out of come to Hyderabad, when you come to Hyderabad, are you feeling sad? No. You have to do job, students. Hmm? Shanu, Mr. Shanu. Good morning, sir. Wish you happy many more returns of the day, sir. What is that? Okay, in advance. Happy Ugadi in advance. Happy Ramjan in advance. Okay. Thank you so much for giving me subject knowledge in my career. No one can teach like you. You're always rememberable person in my life. And words are less to say about you, sir. Only one word. Thank you so much, sir. I need your blessings to my career. Okay. Right. So here. So no, I don't have any symbol student. So Shanu. So okay, students. So Abhijit, sir, your voice is also familiar with my family. So they are also attached to your daily sessions. Okay, Abhijit. Okay. Thank you, my dear student. So today onwards, I will practice after going to home. I will sing a song also because my voice also means what? I will sing a song from tomorrow onwards by closing the doors. First, I will practice. Okay. So Saurav, sir, today you can turn your camera for online students. Okay. Is it? No need students because if we go to that, so go to KV Rao images, KV Rao images. So my image is there. Something entered into the class. Something entered into the class. This is my image. This is my image. Saurav, my dear student, my favorite student. Huh? Okay. Okay. Thank you, my dear students. So these are all big people are there, and our name is also there. Thank you, students. So now I will move to the further. Let me first come to my subject. So let us start. Yesterday we got some small error. It is bins. I did after that R&D. I did R&D, research and development. I did on bins, and I found that it is a very small. Let me show you, students. Hmm? Preeti. Okay, ma'am, after finishing my class, Preeti, yes, sir. My son also attending your session daily. By listening your voice, he come fastly and sitting on my lap. And he is just 20 months old. Thank you, sir. Okay, ma Preeti. All the best to your son and you, and make him as a Pythonist and data scientist. Right, ma? Let us move to the further. Okay, so many people are appreciating my voice also. Today onwards, I'll practice. I'll practice some songs. I'll try to. Okay, students, please come to the topic. Let us come to this. Online students, first let me complete it. So, Pooja, sir, my son also same, sir. He learned all the basics keywords, sir. Okay. Okay, ma Pooja. Thank you, ma. Let us move to the further. Boys, sons later, you just offline boys are discussing. Sir, when my son will listen your class, first read Python notes. Right. Right, students. Pavan Reddy. So no one can beat you, sir. Your teaching skills and Attitude. Okay, mom. Okay, Pawan, thank you for your concern about my class. Right. Oh, somebody is there. Now let us move to the topic. After that, I will talk to you online students. So let me, Satya Gopal, sir, you are blessed so nicely, sir. But when it comes to Django, sir, you did not bless us. Air, that is. Come in. Okay, my dear student. Okay, okay, ma'am. Arup, uh, गुरु की कृपा से चलते हैं हम साथ साथ गगन का दीप जलाए रहा में हमियन आगे बढ़ाते. On behalf of KVR sir, our inspiration. Okay, my dear student. Arup, thank you, my dear student. So I don't know actually how to read out that sentence because it is written in Hindi. So this is the one I wrote it. Okay. So Pavan, you are my Python god, sir. Okay. Shravanti. Okay, ma'am. Okay. So Karnakar, we want Django class, sir. Okay. So let us start understanding. Hmm. Say, come in. Tomorrow onwards, without your class, we are very sad, sir. Don't be like that, my dear student. Don't be like that. Read well and do that. Okay, shall I start the class? Online students, now plus first we'll complete our topic. Later I will chit chat you for few minutes. Online students also, offline students. పవన్ రెడ్డి పైథాన్కు ఒక రూపం ఉంది అంటే అది మీలాగా ఉంటది. These are all okay. Okay, mom. So okay. Okay, my dear students. So let me start. After that, we will go for it. You can, after completion of it. Okay. Now, let me move to the further. Later, I will go for. Okay, mom. Okay, Pooja, you translated in Hindi that word to this one. Okay, mom. Students, let me go to the my continuous process. After that, we'll talk to you online students. Once again, there is a discussion with you people. So go to the place. Histogram. This was our last class. Implementation of what? I will come to this part after the problem solving is completed. Introduction to this part I started. Come in, ma'am. So last class, histogram. Come on, start reading all of you. Already I said. Histogram is a graph showing the frequency distribution. And it is a graph showing the number of observations within each interval. That was given in a something like a statistical words. So let me go to the a histogram is a graphical representation of grouped frequency distribution with the continuous classes like 0 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 40, like that. It is an area diagram and it can be defined as a set of rectangles with a bases along with intervals between the class boundaries and with area proportional to the frequencies corresponding classes. In such representations, all rectangles are adjacent since the base covers the intervals between the class boundaries. And this you least bother. After the example, I will read out once again. See students, frequency distributions, number of observations in each interval. In other words, histogram involving rectangle whose area proportional to the frequency of the variable and width is equal to the class interval. Leave that entire thing. First you observe it. What is this now? X comma Y comma hist type and R width and then what? Face color. What is this X first of all and what is this Y first of all I want to tell you. Now, already here only we got problem. And after my class, I went to R&D. Almost I prepared that R&D I will show you, that I will share with you. And these are called what? Marks. And these are called what? Intervals. Intervals are nothing but bins. What is a bin? Telugu, what is a bin? And then for you, I did R&D. I'm telling to you in your level of understanding. What is bin in Telugu? What is bin? Don't know bin? No. Dabba. Small box. In that box, what are the interval values? 0 to 10 is one bin. 0 to 10, one bin. 11 to 20, one more bin. 21 to 40, one more bin. 41 to 50, one more bin. Bin are nothing but horizontal bars. Bin is nothing but a one bar. In that, how many range of people will come? That are called bins. Did you understand? What is the bin? It is a rectangle bar which contains number of frequencies available in that. It depends on you how do you specify the bins. Suppose I am having these values. Okay now? How many bins I want? 0 to 35 bin, 35 to 75 bin, 75 to 100 bin. And what Python environment will provide? Bins it will prepare. Based on what bins you are preparing. By default, number of bins are what? Scatter. By default, histogram will take 10 bins. By default, 10 bins. But now I am specified what? Bins by myself. Bins are nothing but intervals. 0 to 35, one bin. How it is represented, you know, students? You see, 0, comma 35. 0, comma 35. In our mathematics, we understand this type of thing. This is called 0 include, 35 exclude. This open interval, and this is called close. Mathematics. This says what? One bin. 0 included, 35 excluded. One more bin is what, ma? 35. And next is called what? 75. 75 what? Like this. Exclude. What is the next bin? 75 and then what? 100. That is included. By last bin. There is no other bin now. So 100 is included. How many bins? 0 to 35 bin now. 75, 35 to 75 bin. 75 to 100 bins. How many bins? Yesterday, we specified like this. This is the one. What is the first actually need to write? Marks need to write first. We reversed it. We reversed it. What is the bin actually? What is the bins I am writing? Marks. Actually, yesterday, I supposed to write reverse. This is the one I copied as it is in the last class. Go to the place. Come on, fast. What is this now? Import matplotlib dot what? Pyplot as plt. As plt. Let me just go for increasing that matplt. And there I'm pasting this data. What is this now? This is what we got an error. Why? Marks are in place of bins. Here it is going to be taken as a range of values. That's why we got an error. Bins are monotonically not increasing or increasing something. So this is what an error I got it. And this is what we got a error in the last class that makes us to feel something much difficulty in the class. Bins must increase monotonically when an array is available. This is quite reversed. We passed it. What is our actual methodology? These are the marks. These are the values. Those things I want to get it into these intervals. So I have to change this value. Are you following, students? This I have to write what? Marks interval. Marks interval. I'm going to take up. Are you following now? What are these now? X values. What are the bins? 0 to 35, one bin. No? 35 to 75, one bin. No? 100 is what? 75 to 100, one more bin. How many bins by default taken here? 3 bins. See that? Show. Now you are getting the output. Now you are getting the output. Are you following? This is called which graph? Histogram. Come on, read out what is happening here. You see 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Like that, this is prepared. But we want our own bins or not. For that, I will tell you how to set these bins also. I said, na, I went to almost R&D level by seeing PSF, by seeing that, this, etc. So much. I prepared a lot of documentation for you. Now, I will do immediately. In this case, I will go for what? In this place, as it is, I will go for PLT dot, come on, X ticks of what? I will take this bins. I will take this bins. Now you try to run. Now you try to run. Are you able to get it, students? Come on, ma. 0 to 35. How many people are there? 0 to 35? 3 people are there. 3 people are there. Is it called one bin or not? This is called one bin. This is called one more bin. This is called one more bin. Bin is nothing but what? One type of bar. Are you following me? It's nothing but one box. Come on, read out. How many values are there? 0 to 35 place. Chadavandi. Here, what are the values? 30, 10, 34. These are called 3 or not? So these are called 3 people. Are you showing the 3 people? Next 35 to what? 75. Come on, 35 to 75. What is that? 50, 40, 55, 40. This one. This entire thing. Are you following me? 44. These are all called what? How many? 5. Is it showing 5 or not? From where? 35 to 75. Next term, 75 above. 75. What is this now? 90. 90. What is that now? 84. How many? Only 2. 75 to 100. How many students? 2. Are you following this? Now, you go through once back to my concept once. Come on. A histogram is a graphical representation of grouped frequency. 3 people, 5 people, and then 2, 3 people with a continuous classes 0 to 35, 35 to 75, 75 to 100. It is an area diagram. Area diagram. 0 to 35 one area, 75 to 100 one area, defined as a set of rectangles. The rectangle bars are not along with what? With bases. Along with what? Intervals between class boundaries. Who is that? Venkatesh is requesting to record this meeting locally. Deny. With area proportional to the frequencies. Proportional means what? If it decreasing, it will show the decreasing. If it is less, it will show the less in the corresponding classes. In such representations, all rectangles are adjacent since base covers the intervals between the class boundaries. Now, or a histogram is showing the frequency distributions. 5 people fall under which category? 3 people fall under which category? I am preparing. What is the best? Histogram. In the population of India, I want to take 25 years one history, 25 to 50 one history, 50 to 75 one history, 75 to another 100 I want to take. Is it not called one histogram? Right. So it is showing the number of observations with each interval. I hope you are following, students. So yesterday, did you understand my mistake? So this is the mistake. I am showing that I am rectifying. So here, which one is taken as a bins here? Intervals is taken as a bins. Observations will be first, and the next is called this one you need to take. Here also same thing. Here also same thing. I need to change this. And later I did what here? Like this. Here I will add these things. I will go for carry this entire thing. I'll go for carrying this entire thing. And see, students, X sticks you said. Students marks interval and a number of students here. Are you following me? Number of students. If you want PLT dot what here? Title of what is this now? Placement details. Placement details or marks details. I can write marks details. These are all things you know already. This is at present it is very small in front of you. Are you following, students? Go to Now I'll go to, this is called what? Histogram is nothing but one. There are three types of histograms. One is called what? Bar histogram. Spell out. This is known as what? Bar histogram. This first bar with three people are called what? One bin. What are the next five people observation between 35 to 75? Second bin. Next one is called what? Third bin. Are you able to follow? Next. By default, it is called which histogram? Bar histogram. Now, let us move to the next. Another kind of thing I will continue. Here, histotype. I will write here what, histotype. So here there is a comma. Even if we keep comma, no problem. Here I am writing histotype. Histotype and histogram type. Histogram type. Even if I write here bar, I am writing what? Bar. I am writing bar. Especially I am writing bar histogram. This is known as one type of histogram. Now I am showing the bar histotype. Here I am writing first bar. Whenever you write the bar, it is showing something in the same manner only. But I want to separate that bars. I want to separate the bars. Whenever you say separate, is it looking like same or not? It is also looking like same. To have the separation, I will go for what? R width. R width is equal to some 0.2. R width is equal to 0.2. Between the bars, I want to go for some separation. See, students, I am having the separation. 0 to 35. What is this now? 3 people. 35 to 75. What is this now? 5. It is 75 to 100 is called what? Yes. You may ask a question, sir, is it looking like a bar graph? Bar graph will work on string data as well as numerical data, but histogram works only on numerical. Both the axes are numerical only. Are you following me? Next, if I increase this now, if I increase this 3, if I increase this 3, it is going to be little bigger. Are you following? Next, after that, there is one more kind of thing called students. Face color is equal to, face color is equal to something like red. Something like red. Another attribute I am saying. Are you following this? Red. Now I am going to write it here. What is the next? Edge color is equal to, edge color is equal to something like, green. Green. Now I am going to say edge color is equal to green. Is edge color is green is coming or not? Getting students? So something like that you can go for which kind of histogram it is? Bar histogram. Whenever you say bar, to see that bar level of thing, use what? R width. Next kind of thing I am going to specify. Another histogram type is called what? Split. Split now? Split. Step or splitter? Step. Yes, step I said. Step. Step histogram. In the step histogram, no color will be filled. And there is no meaning of writing R width. Whenever I write my step histogram, there is no need to write what? R width. Never work out. Just look at that. It is going to give you what? No color is filled. This is comes under what? One type of what? Histogram it is called. Which histogram? Step histogram. You just remove this now. R width also. Execute the same thing like this. What the edge color? I am writing red. I am writing red. Face color, let it be. Here there is no face color is available. No need to specify. Here I wrote it. What is this now? Edge color is called what? Red. What type of histogram it is? Step. Step histogram it is. Next I will go for what? Step filled. Step filled. Step filled. Now I will go for that time what? Face color. Face color will come filled. Now I'm going to write green. Green. So see this now. You are going to get it what? Filled with what? This is also called something like what, step filled. Even if we write R width also, there is no meaning for it. So 0.4 you write, 0.5 you write, there is no meaning of it. So enter this, there is no meaning of what? R width. How many types of histograms are there? Come on. One is what? Bar histogram, step histogram, step filled histogram. Able to understand? Right. So yesterday, did we understand our mistake? Even I did not observe, you did not observe something, it went off. So what is the first one? Range of distribution of values. Second one is bins. Bins. So how many bins I specified? Three bins. So I want to tell you, sir, bins you are taking. When I'm taking the bins, what will be the width of the bin? How the width of the bin is decided? That also I want to take it. Width of the bin is decided based on highest value minus lowest value by number of values. Okay, that is not necessary. Bin width and all those things not necessary. But I want to show you that. Is it clear? Online students, come to my point. Here I am going to say, come on, ma, read out. We have different type of histogram. Number one, bar, step field. Specify histogram type is using hist type argument. PLT dot hist. Here also I mentioned a wrong student. Here I will write first what? Here I said marks as well as what? Interval. Hist type is equal to what? Bar. R width 0.7. Face color is equal to what? Red. If we specify bar type, then we must specify what? R width, R width argument. Example, PLT dot max student marks. Student marks, I'm saying there. Student marks interval, hist type, or, you can also say what? Step field, face color is equal to what? Like this. So if you get confused, here I will remove and you are understanding. If we specify either step or what? Step field as hist type, then we need not to specify what? R width argument. Let me write here. Here I am writing step field. I will write it. Step field I am writing. Face color is equal to red. And in both the cases, you need not to specify what? Argument. Come on, go to this place now. Some on problem. The following table gives the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. Neon lamps. Draw the histogram for the following data. 400 neon lamps lifetime. When you purchase 400 neon lamps, 14 neon lamps are giving what? 300 to 400 hours. 56 lamps for this many. 60 lamps like this. 86 lamps like that. This is a lifetime they are giving it. So tell me, what are the bins here? Come on, lifetime. What are the values? Number of lamps. Number of, what is your values need to specify? 300 to 400, 400 to 500, 500 to 600, like that you need to take it. Shall we go for it now? Let us go for the problem. Go to the problem. Here I am going to take out. Let us take this problem I am keeping, students. Here I am going to write it. I say this now. So here I am going to say, here I am going to take up, my dear student, Vani. See, mom, already you know how to get the data from where? Data frame. Already you know how to get the data frame. I sent the formula worksheet also. So many formulas I explained. What are the values you need to take? Get the range of values or not? Pins you will prepare or not? Data frame, pandas or series or whatever it is. Is it easy to get it or not? Vani, you have to practice pandas. So here, go to the place. Here I am going to say, here I am going to say, you need to take maximum installs also there or not. On that you get the maximum installs. Mean, median, etc. is there or not. You can draw any of the graph also. Already shown you some examples in the class. So let us go to the plan. Plan for this now. What is this now? Come on. Neon. Neon lamps. Neon lamps is equal to, what are my values? 14 comma, 56 comma, 60 comma, come on, 86 comma, 74, and then next is called 62 comma 48. 48. Next is called what? Lifetime. Lifetime. Lifetime is equal to what? Come on. 300 comma what? 400 comma 500 comma 600 comma 700 comma 800 comma 900 comma 1000. These are called what? Lifetime of that kind of things. These are going to be 14 things. Actually, these are number I recorded. Actually, you have to understand, they are giving in the form of like this. Actually, they need to give the lamps hours is like this. Did you understand? By seeing this diagram, what is this now? 0 to 35. How many? 3. Next is what? 75 to 35 to what? 75. How many? 5. 75 to 100. How many? 2. What is this? These called? They are giving final data. They are giving it. Final data they are giving it. So here I just need to write 14 values are there between what? 300 including 400 excluding. There are 14 values are there which are including what? 300 and excluding 400. They are giving the count actually. Are you following that? Next, one more is called what? 400 to 500. How many are there? 56 values are there. మీకు అర్థమైంది అసలు? Here, this is a distribution of data is given. Later I figure it out. By studying this, what is your analysis? Tell me. 0 to 35. How much data? What is this now? What is this? 30, 10, 34. How many? 3. Next is called what? 35 to what? 75. What is that now? 5. Next is called what? 75 to what? 100. How many? 2. They are giving the statistical data for us. But actually they need to give what? These 3 observations they need to give. Observations they need to give. In childhood days also you've done that. 10, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 35, 55. I'm going to do what? 10 to 15. I'm going to give number of values and cross mark and etc. We do not. That only they are giving in this format now. Actually 14 in the sense there are 14 observations are found between what? 300 including 400 excluding. 56 observations are there between what? This kind of things. I hope you are following that. Actually, I have to write so much of big list. I have to write it. I hope you are getting, students. So coming to the point back next, I am going to write it. Here I am going to get it. As usual, I am trying to write it now. Here I am going to write it now. What is this now? So next I am going to write it. Neon lamps, comma what? Lifetime. Actually, this is also observations I am writing. Histotype is equal to this everything you leave it. And then ticks I am going to say. What are the ticks I am writing? These things I am writing. Ticks I am writing. Next I am writing here what? X label is called what? Neon lamps. Neon lamps. Neon lamps. Next is called what? Lifetime. Lifetime in hours. So this is title is called what? Lamps versus lifetime. Lifetime. So no? X is lifetime, huh? Yes. X is lifetime. Yes. X is lifetime. Correct. Yes. X is lifetime. And other thing is lamps interval. That too lamps interval I have to take in the form of distributions. So try to run this. So what happens? Lifetime. 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 So go to this place. Giving you error. What is the error here? LOC X ticks should be like this. So here I will say what? Directly I can go to what here? Samples I will write it. Here also we are getting an error or not? LOC must be 1D type N, but you are specifying what? 1 to 8. So here 1 to 8 you are specifying, and these things need to specify what here? 300, comma, what is this now? 305 and 400, and next is 405. Next is called 500, 560, 600, 601, comma, 605, comma, 7 and 703, comma, 705, and next is called what? 800, comma, 900, comma, 1000. Like this, I am just writing it. So what is happening now? Xtics list of list I mentioned it. Yes. List of list I mentioned it. You try to see this now. This is also supposed to keep it in where? List. So try to see. These are the lamps which are coming. Are you following? Here what is happening? 300 to where? It is going to prepare how many bins? How many bins are prepared? 300 to 400 and 400 to 600 and like this. I specified. So for a minute you just to see, you try to remove these values. Once you remove these values and try to observe once, what is happening now? 300 to 400. Now it is clear, I think so. Come on, guys. What is this now? 300 to 305. How many? 2. Next is what? 400 to 500. No data. No data. 560 to what? 600. So 5 to 600. What is that? 1 only. Yes or no? 1 only. Next is what? 605 to 703. So 600 to what? 700. How many are there you see? 2 are there. Are you following me? Next, 705, 2 now, 3 now. 705 to where? 800. From 700 to 800. How many are there? Also 2. Also 2. Suppose if you reduce something, just reduce one thing and try to see. What is happening? Is it reduced or not? Next is called what? Last. 900 to what? 900 to 1000. 900 to 1000 is called what? 900 included. 1000. Huh? Last kadamma. Last. Last means included. That's why showing what? 2. Are you following this? This is called what? I intentionally given here 400 to 500. There is no data mentioned it. Suppose you want to mention it, I will say 400. I will write it. 400. I will write it. 400. I will write it. Execute. So what is happening? 400 to 500. 1 is coming or not? This is called what? Bar histogram. Bar histogram. If you want, you can specify what type here. Hist type. Hist type is equal to what? Step. Hist type is equal to what? Step. Spelling mistakes, don't write it so that you can understand. So you can write hist type also shown. Okay, na? So plan it out. So observation, these 14 means what? 14 values lies within what? 300 to 400. 400 included or excluded? Excluded. That concept already you know. So these are 414 observations. Observations lies lies in the range of what? Bracket రాస్తాను. Mathematics version, comma what? 400, open the bracket. Mathematics version. Similarly, the same thing is applicable for what? Other things also. I hope you are getting, guys. Now, go to the place. Here I am going to take it. Same. Age of the people, number of the people. Age of the people, number of the people. Age of the people, number of the people. Program for. Of course, that is what is written. Age of the people, number of the people. Here you can write it. All these people names you can write it. So here I will write it. Program for that entire thing is written. Here if you want to go for it, how do you write it? Last and final. Go to the place. This is the one I am taking. Age of the people. Age of the people, and then next what? Number of the people. How do you write it? How do you write the code? What is your data? What are the distributions? Not speaking anything. So here I am going to take up. Tell me now. I will take it. Elana Rasam. Come on, what is the next? NOP, number of people. 5 people are under what? 10. For example, you take the age 9 years or something like 6 years. Now I'm taking 5 people. Na? So 8 years, next 6 years, some 4 years, and the next 2 years, comma. But the next 10 to 24, next 12, next something like 15, and next is 18, and the next 11 years. This is called what? 4 people. 20 to 30, 3 people. 22 and 26 and 28. Come on, next 30 to 40. How many? So 33, 34, 35, 38. How many? 4 people. Next 40 to 50. So 44, 45, 46, 47, and next is called 48. How many people? 6 people. One more? Yes, one more. This is 49. Next what? 50 to 60. What is that now? 55 and then now 59. Let it be. This is my observation. I hope you are following, guys. Next after that, come on. Age interval. Age interval. INT. Age interval. 0, comma 10. 0, comma 10 means one bin. 0 included. Okay. Next 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. How many bins? 0 to 10, one bin. In that bin, 5 things are placing. 10 to 24 bins, 4 values in that bin like that. Are you following this? 10 to 20, 0 to 10, one bin. 20, 30, one bin. 30, 40, one bin. 40, 50, one bin. 50, 60, both of them included, one more bin. Copy that entire data. Copy that entire data. You just get this. Come on now. I will write it. What is this now? Come on, Chapandi. NOP. NOP. Next is what? Age int. Age int. Next, I will take the sticks. Sticks, I will take it. This sticks, I want to take it. Sticks, I took it. Okay. What is this now? Come on. X label. Age interval. Age interval. Come on, next. A number of people. Good. Number of peoples. And number of people versus or age versus number of people. Correct? Age versus number of people. So now I am going to close the bracket where he stopped. He stopped. Yes. So here I say, what is this now? Face color is equal to what? Red. Next is called what? Edge color is equal to green. Green. Like this. Try to run. So you are going to get this data. 0 to 10, how many people? 5. Next is called what? 10 to 20, 4 people. 20 to 30, 3 people. Exactly what you have mentioned it. 30 to 40, 4 people. 40 to 50, 6 people. And 50 to 60, 2 people. Able to follow? This is exactly what is observations given. I took the data like that only. Understood? Yes. Go to the next place. Now I'm going to say another part of it. What I prepared for you here, just to follow me. What is the, now I'm coming to bins only. Come on, start. Read out. A histogram is a graphical representation of the distribution of data by the given user. So, my dear student, Naga Karmuri, I'm giving that only, my dear student. Don't excite. I'm giving that only. I'm giving that only. Hold on. Now I'm giving your answer only. Okay, na? That's why I already prepared it. It's histogram is a graphical representation of the distribution of data given by the user. Its appearance is similar to bar graph, except it's a continuous. Bar graph is not a continuous, but it is a continuous intervals. Open interval, close interval, open interval, close interval. Last one, both of them are Close only. Last one bin is supposed to close. The towers of the bar of histogram are called what? Bins. The height of each bin shows how many values from that data fall into that range. 0 to 10 is one bin. In that, how many people fall down? 6 or 3. Now, in that bin, 6 people are falling down. Next, width of each bin is equal to, I'm talking about the width of the bin, maximum value of the data minus minimum value of the data divided by total number of bins which you are specifying. Actually, width of the bin, nobody will, without the bin, width of the bin, nobody will ask. If at all you are interested, this is a point. The default value of number of bins to be created in histogram is 10. Next, however, we can change the size of the bins by using parameter bins in matplotlib pyplot dot what hist by using an argument called bins, like face color, edge color, like that. Bins you can specify. Come on now. Example number 1. This is my data, PLT. These are my observations. These are my observations as Naga Karmuri is asking. We specified interval and then what? Values. Here I don't specify the interval. That only will count. I am saying keep these values into how many bins? 7 bins. What are that now? Values. Some count is given. How many bins I am arranging? 7 bins. Now, edge color is equal to yellow, color is equal to green, and PLT dot show. So, come to the point back. Here I'm going to take examples on what? Bin argument. Bins argument of which type? Hist type. Just paste it. And be careful, students. Now I'm going to take up. What are my bins? What are my values? You observe it. What is the bin is taken? 0 to 60. Next is called what? 60 to 80, 80 to 100, and like this. Some middle of the place also it is taking. Are you following me? How many bins you specified? 7 bins. 7 bins you specified. 7 bins. When you take these bins, this is one bin, two, and then this is one. Next is this is one bin. This is second bin. This is a third bin, fourth bin, and next is like this. Bins are nothing but what? Bars. Correct or not? Bars which are showing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What are the, how do you decide the width of the bin? Maximum value. What is the maximum value in this place? What is the maximum value here? 139 minus 139 minus 45. Huh? 145 is a maximum. 145. If why to bother about it? Find what? Max of what? Values. Find of max of values. You say here, max of what? Values. Max of values. You will get what? 145. Next is called what? Min of values. What is that? 51. Max of value minus min of value by what? Total number of things. So I'm writing here, max of values minus, what is this now? Min of values divided by what? Ln of what? Values. Ln of values. 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 So here I am writing, what is the bin width, each bin width? 3 point, this is all called pixel. Pixel format it is going to give you. Pixel format, this width is called like this. It's called bin. It is only for just a calculation purpose, I just said. And nothing is speciality about that kind of thing. Here you come. Here I am saying, come on, read out. Read out. Method 1. How I passed it? Bins. Method 1. We can pass an integer in bins, starting how many bins or towers to be created in the histogram, and width of each bin is changed accordingly. So now I am going to say import. Now what is my bins I am doing? 5 I am saying. Here you try to observe it. After this, I will explain that bin calculation again. So here I am going to say Number of bins are how many here? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are the bins I am taking here? 5 I said. 5. And this 5 bins are created. 140 to 150 still it is going to have some irregular kind of things. This is called, this interval is one bin. This interval is one more bin. This interval is one more bin. This is not exactly intersection point, there it is available. It is one more bin. 5 bins are available. What is the width of that? Here 5 bins. Number of bins created 5. Setting bins to an integer created equal to 0 or what? Width. A bin size is changed so that bin width will be changed accordingly. What is the formula? Bin of width is equal to 195. In this case 195 minus what? By 5. 11 is called what? Width of the bin. 11 is called width of the bin. This bin is little less. This is a 3.333 something. Come to next. Actually, when you say bin is equal to 7, there is no control over your intervals. See, go to your place. Before that, you see our bins, how they are displayed. Is it exactly displayed or not? Because I am specifying my own bins. Here, marks interval is nothing but it is a bin value only. Correct or not? Life of neon lamps is called what? This is lifetime of this is called bins only. Here it is called what next term? Age interval is called what? Bins range only. But here I did not specify what. My own bins I am not giving. So I want to give what? Exact bin value. For that you see one more continuous process. This you have seen. Bins is equal to 5 width calculation. Next bins is equal to, same example, bins is equal to 7. In this case, what is the value? 145 minus 51. What is the bin width? I will carry this point. Come on to the place. Here I am going to write it. Finally, you will come to one conclusion. This is called how many bins? 7 bins you are creating. And maximum value, minimum value you are taking. 145 minus 51 by 7, 13.4 is the width of the bin. That is one way. Specifying directly what? Bins. This is not appropriate. The visualization says not appropriate. Sir, why not appropriate? Chudandma. Here 0 to what it is saying 60, but it is in the middle of it something continued or not. So it is 60 to what? 80. Still there is something dark point is one place, something is in one place. It is becoming misbalancing. That's why always specify the number of bins from your side. Come on, next method 2 to pass the bins. Method 2 to pass the bins. Very much important. So we can also pass a sequence of int or Sai is requesting to record this meeting locally. Deny. We can also pass a sequence of int or float as parameter to bins, like our intervals of age, lifetime of neon lamps, marks intervals, like that. What are the marks interval? 0 to 35, 35 to 70, 75 to what? 100. They are called what? Sequence of bins. In which elements of sequence are edges, boundaries of bins. In this method, the bin width may vary for each bin. 5 people, 6 people, 2 people, that bins range will, width will reduce or not? Come on. Suppose a sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a bins you are specifying. What is the meaning of 1, 2, 2, which I already said to you? First of all, how many bins will come, you tell me? 1 to 2, 1 including, 2 excluding. 2 to 3, 2 including, 3 excluding. 3 to 4, 4 excluding. 4 to 5, how many bins? 4 bins. Is assigned to bins and the number of bins will be made is 4. How? First bin will be 1 comma 2. See the brackets. Including 1, excluding 2. See students, don't think sir, bracket used wrong. Mathematics adi. This list bracket is including. Tuple brace is excluding. Next, second bin is what? 2 including, 3 excluding. Including 2, excluding 3. Third bin will be what? 3 including, 4 excluding. Written. However, in the last fourth bin, 4 and 5, both of them included. Here I written. Hence, All the bins are half open, half interval, full interval, some mathematics words. Open A, close B, but in the last bin is closed A and B closed. For such cases, the width of each bin is equal. The If the difference between each element of the sequence is assigned to bin is not equal to the width of each bin, bin is different. Hence, bin width depends on the sequence. Suppose I have 0 to 100 one slot, 100 to 120, 0 to 100 one bin students, 0 to 100 people are coming to big bin or not? 100 to 120 will take what? Less number of people. Less number of people will show what? Less bin width. 0 to 100 bin width is what? Bigger. Yes or no? To fit 100 values in one bin width is more. That is what it is saying. Come on, equal bin width. Unequal bin width also I am showing. 1, 2, 3, 4, some numbers are there. What is this now? Marks. What is this interval? Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Edge color is equal to what? Same thing like our first example only. 1, 2, 2, how many? 1, 1, next 1 and 1. Is 2 included? 2 included? No. Next is called what? 2, 2, 3 bin. 2, 2, 2, 2. Like that all 2's will come. This is the best example for equal bins. Go to the place. Here I am writing. I'll copy this also with equal bin concept I am saying. Here I am going to mention it. Equal bin concept. Try to run. Now I am going to get it. 0, 1.0 to what? 2. What is coming? 4 only. Is 2 included? Come on, guys. No. 1, 2, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1. How many? 4. 2 is there, but 2 included. No, that's why we wrote what? 1, comma 2. Adi. Next is called what? 2. 2 to 3. 2 to 3 what? What is that now? 2, 2, 2, 2. Any? 4. 4. Next is what? 5. 6. 6 only. So what is this now? 2 to 3. How many? 6. 3 to 4. 4. 4 to 5. 8. That is 4 to 5. 4, you see. 4, 5, 4. 3 over. 5. 6, 7, 8. 8. 9, huh? 9. Oh, yes, 9. 9 is also there. This is 9. Are you following me? This is called what? Each one is having equal width or not? This is called equal width kind of concept. Coming to next is called what? Unequal bin. Unequal bin. What is the unequal bin? Import. See that unequal bin. What is my unequal bin? 140 to 150. 150 to 160. Okay, 10 difference. 160 to 175. 15 difference. 175 to 185. 10 difference. 185 to 200. Again 15 difference. That is called which bin? Unequal bin. Let us go to this place. Let us go to this place. Here I am going to write it. Which kind of bin it is? Unequal bin. Unequal bin I will write it. Unequal bin width I will write it. So here I am writing. Unequal bin I wrote it. So try to run it. Here we are going to get it. Are you following me? This bin, first 10 is having, this is different. This is having 15, right or not? This is again all having, these three are called what? Equal. See exactly 140 to 150, 150 to 160, and these are going to be like this. And what I will do next, you see this carefully. It is as good as similar to what? Bin size specified. These things I am going to specify. Instead of taking these kind of things, you can specify it as what? Sticks. You can specify as what? Sticks you can specify. That are already seen in our marks or not. That time you will get it what? That type of. These bins are nothing but yesterday interval. But yesterday I was specified what? Interchanged. In interval place I specified marks. In marks place I specified interval. That's why it was given wrong for us. I hope you are getting it. This is about the almost about the concept of what? Bins. Did you understand? So with this, my bins concept, what we got error, and once we get an error, we have to go for R&D level. So bins can be specified in what? Equal length, unequal length, your own bin width you can specify, all the things you can specify. This is about bins concept. What is the syntax of histogram? Plt dot hist of x comma y comma. That y is nothing but bins. Equal length, unequal length, comma, hist type, bar, step, step field. Next, edge color, face color, R width. When I say bar, then you can go for R. Otherwise, no need to specify the R width. That is about my concept called what? Histogram. This is my class. So, right, students. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, you are giving claps. Okay, nice. But when do you read this time that I'm asking? So, reading is important. When you give claps, I'm not going to feel that, okay, my students are giving claps. But when do you read? That is my question next. Now only your batting starts actually. Original field start from now only. Semester over. Exams are there now. But you have to prepare now. Okay, exams, what you will do? By going in the bus, some subheadings, remembering and going and writing anything on our own for every question. In bus only they will read. Before exam, 5 minutes exam only, you will turn the pages. And you will write whatever question is there, same answer. But in industry, it is not like that. You have to write exact code. Exact code you need to write. For that, you need to write this entire notes. Hmm? So Ajit Baba, Jana Gana Mana is written. Right. Students, now, now it is 10:22. Now, students, hmm, Navya, sir, please bless me with your good heart to get a job. Navya, so, so, Navya, God bless you, ma. So, take care. Now, students, all the students in the online and offline students, I am saying all the best of luck. I don't say the word best of luck because luck, if you define problem, luck may be there, may not be there, we don't know. But if you do hard work, compulsory will succeed or not. Luck means what? When I go to exam, I'm writing the exam by sitting under the fan. Fan should work for 3 hours continuously. In middle of it, if fan is falling on me, that is called bad luck. So luck means what? No disturbances should be taken place at that point of time. Luck means not answers are coming spontaneously in my brain, not like that. My dear students, so Rajesh, sir, give a conclusion about Django. Everyone is waiting for your word. My dear students. So thank you so much, online students. So first I'm going to talk about you. Hmm? Saurav, so tell us your full name of KVR, sir. You only written my name now. So K means you want K also. So you want K also. Saurav, I'll tell you only. K means so. That is the meaning. Yeah. Fan of KVR already wrote. You will collect every information, my dear students. Except the subject, you will collect everything. Okay. So, Jairam, my phone number I will write once again. Once again, I will give my number and my mail ID also. kvr1.python @gmail.com. So why I wrote KVR1, because KVR is only one who teach Python. Oh, like that. Like that. To everybody, I will send. So to everybody. Students in online. So take care. And this is my mail ID. So finally, hmm, Arvind, thank you so much, sir, for wonderful teaching. And practically, theoretically, I think No one can teach Python like you, sir. You stay in our heart forever. Thank you, my dear student. Finally, you won our heart, sir. Okay, heart symbol is there. No words to describe you, sir. Thank you. Everything. Arvind, thank you, my dear student. Now, so, okay. Ajit Baba, thank you. Now, Akhil, can you please send us some Matplotlib project questions? 100%. Keep in touch with the Google Drive. We'll go on sending it. Nagarao, sir, thank you for your subject. Tarun CH, sir, what about your Django classes, sir? So, Mustafa, exam dates. Exam dates means NASCAM exam. NASCAM exam, contact to office. Because our institute, already you are seeing in the offline gold certificate and all those things when you are going to the lab, some certificate. NASCAM people, so far they are not giving it out, the rules and regulations. They are saying still one more month, they are postponing. When it comes, we will declare in the classes. Otherwise, we can't declare false rules, correct or not? That's why we will wait for it. So, Lakshmana Kumar, I miss your class. So, Sandeep, hello sir, when Django session will start? Anjali, yes sir, you are only the one teach Python very perfectly. Suraj, some spets is keeping, colorful spets is keeping and laughing. Aparna, thank you so much, sir. We learned so much. Thank you, mom. Tanvita, sir, in the beginning days of our class, you asked one question in C language. What is the purpose of hash symbol in C language? Sir, may I know the symbol? The symbol hash will provide the address of your header file to the compiler. Hash is a symbol which will provide the address of the specified header file to the compiler. Compiler will go to that header file and look for that function in that header file. It will execute the definition and it will give the result. That is the significance of the symbol called a hash. If I am teaching C language, I will print the address of the header file also. That is significance. Right. Venkatesh, suggest some GitHub repositories to practice Python projects. My dear student, Python projects to practice before that. You see students anywhere else Python project should have, nothing will come to you. Even it comes to 6 to 7 lines of code, it will come. If it is 6 to 7 lines of code, every program of ours is a project only. Correct or not? So next, Nirmala, thank you so much, sir. I learned so much, sir. Saurav, will call you when I get the job in the field. Saurav, most welcome. Nagarao, sir, please let us know for resume preparation. My dear student, resume preparation, I am not a correct person to teach. See students, in resume preparation, nothing is there to get the job. Resume preparation is about your skill set, your project explanation, you write it. And don't write, I participated in inter competition, chessboard, badminton, cricket. These are all, don't write such pitchy kind of sentences in the things. Personal details. Okay. I participated in paper presentation in college. What paper presentation you presented in the college? With the program you presented. You read some notes. You read some notes only now. Any practically you show na? No. If you write all these things, they will ask you which paper you presented. You say, sir, I presented electronics. And they will say, okay, write a code in Python. They will say, why unnecessarily? Don't go to that. Next, students. Uh, okay, okay. Next, Django, sir. Okay. So, Paulson, sir, really today is our last day. 100% last day only. Hmm? Come on now. Srinu, sir, share your Django notes. Akhil Kumar, I never seen a faculty with that much of discipline and determination towards the students, sir. Thank you for teaching us, sir. Okay. Thank you, mom. Srivastav, interview questions, sir. I don't give interview questions to anybody. Directly, I'm saying. Read my entire notes. If I give interview questions, it is like a important questions in interviews only. If I give interview questions, you will prepare that only. For every question, same answer you will say. So indirectly, I'm spoiling you. Read everything and go to interview. You will answer correctly. So, Priyadarshini, your LinkedIn profile. Okay. Please share your Python notes, sir. I will give my Python notes, everything in zip file. Zip file I will give. 2 zip files. Tomorrow I will give you. Today don't. Tomorrow. Tomorrow I will give because it takes some time to upload the total notes. Tomorrow, NumPy Pandas, Python notes also I will keep it because there are other batch students are there. They need my notes. Sagar Srivastav, important questions if possible, sir. No, everything is important. Thank you, sir, for wonderful teaching. Sravanti, thank you, ma'am. Mohan Priya, can you please send office number? No. Search in the internet, Naresh IT number. Sandeep, I try to contact admin, don't receive any update on Django classes. Sandeep, you write any kind of message you want from admins, say your your query followed by student of KVR. You write it. Student of KVR. They will immediately respond. They will immediately respond because we have some good name, good tag is there. Good tag is there. You say student of KVR. See that will you get response or not? Right. Next, 78 messages are there I have to read. So, sir, resume preparation. I already said. Kavita, Kavita, sir, I feel fortunate to have you as my teacher. Your enthusiasm for the subject is contagious, and it has created a positive learning environment in classroom. Thank you for being a course of inspiration and motivation. Your passion for teaching has made a significant impact on my understanding and love for the subject. Okay, Ma Kavita. Thank you and God bless you. Saurav, sir, did you conduct any exam for the students who completed full stack? See, students, conducting exam for these many students is very complicated. Almost in our NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, almost the students are 980 students combined together both offline and online. So conducting that many students exam is quite different. Next. So Lakshmana Kumar is saying something here. So I will carry this. So I'll go to this place. So I'll put it here. Priyadarshini, please start PySpark class, sir. Okay, ma, that is separate course. Again, thank you. Lakshmana Kumar, thank you, my dear student. Okay, what a beautiful conclusion it is. Indu, again we separated from you, sir. After Python classes, we miss your classes. And you too, sir, keep blesses, sir. Indu, God bless you, mom. And Ganesh, your technical level is good. When I came to Hyderabad, I will mute you, sir. Ganesh, most welcome. And next, Vishal, your guidance has shaped my future. Thank you, sir. Thank you, my dear student. I heard this question from one of the interviewer. Convert the word letter into upper and a lower into upper. Python, Python. Please explain this code once, sir. Already explained. What is the function name? Come on. Here, total Python. What is these words are called? Even letters. This case. Just to look at this kind of thing. Go to the place. Here you go to it. It is dead easy. It is dead easy. Go to the place. Here I am going to take up. S is equal to Python. His output is like this. His output is like this. He is saying this kind of thing. What this indicates? P capital, T capital, H small, O capital, N. This indicates what? For every alter even words. Today morning only I gave homework in 7 o'clock this exam, this question. For every even word, even letters, odd letters should be what? Capital. Capital. Other things are what? Normal only. Normal only you need to take. So you have to use what? Upper you need to use. When that letter is coming, you have to use what? Upper. Other than that, you will go for what? Index is going to be 0, 0. What is the next? 2. And the next what? 4. 0 to 4 is called what? Upper. Rest of them, lower only you need to use. That is only the thing you have to use concatenation process. You need to write certain coding for it. I hope you can do that. Will you do this? Easy. You can do. With the loops, you can do it. Okay now? Simple. Next up, Django class. So, okay ma. Sai Teja. Thank you. So, Reshma, I already said in the class, two important projects I said. Keep it in your resume. Google Play Store and employee salary data. Reshma, I said you ma 2 to 3 times I said. Again, you put in the same thing. Srinu, Django notes. When you will get our certificate? Paulson, see, certificate issued by one institute or something else. First, you need to improve your subject. Next up, okay. Lakshmana Kumar, thank you. VSP Kumari, thank you for amazing, sir. Okay, Django, fulfill our subject, sir, please. Okay, mom. Akhil, thank you for wonderful teaching. Okay, sir. Now, Tarun, you proved that our academics totally different from this course with your teaching skills, sir. Okay, students, Jairam, thank you for sharing contact with the inspiration of this course. I have developed an internal tool automation and it has been delivered yesterday. Team happy with the output. Thank you, Jairam, and be doing such type of things. Nice. Used Twinkr and then Python basic concept. Thank you so much, sir. I wish you good health and happiness. Thank you, Jairam. And a fan of KVR. Any suggestions about generative AI? That is, AI means not in 1 minute to speak about it. You try to enter into the AI field. Coming days only AI will come in every tool. So Aditya, thank you, my dear student. Mayur, interview questions, sir. No interview questions. Read everything. If possible, Vishal, explain QR code. Already explained or not? In Python level only, I explained. In Python level only, I was explained. Explained or not? Explained. So, Giridharan, all projects were purchased. We could not do by ourselves. That is in our academic level. That is. In academic level, you purchased your projects. Purchased or not? Like a tomatoes you purchased. No, you have mentioned it. Sai. So I will mention student of KVR in my resume, sir. But it is more than brand. Sai, don't write like that. Don't, my dear student. Keep that word in your heart, but don't mention that. Don't mention it. So I know two students. Interviewer is my student, definitely may recognize. Don't write. Of course, Sai is saying for fun purpose. Next, tell me the data analytics skills to get the job. I already said to do analytics, analysis, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib plays a major role. Satyagopal, at least share your Django notes with us, sir. Okay. So Paulson, miss you, sir. Lakshmana Kumar. So good words every day, every minute, sir. Again, we separated from you after Python class. Okay, ma, Indu. So, Pavan, Python తో వందల స్టూడెంట్స్ కి దారి చూపించిన అతను మించిన టీచర్ ఎవరు? So, these are uh, these are good things. So here, you have great skills. Okay, fine students, Swapna. Thank you, sir, for giving explain everything so clearly. Dinesh, okay, last day. Today is the last day. Sai, I will mention student of KVR because it is more than one. Okay, same. Django class. Right, Django class. GIF file. I will tell you. Saurav, that also I will send you. So you have published any book for Python? No, ma. Vaishnavi, no. We don't do that. Capstone project, when will start? Capstone project is nothing but which is less than a simple program, which is something like 2 to 3 programs. If I integrate together, it is something like this. Module level and packages level only, we did that. Django notes, sir. When you will get our certificate? Contact the office to get the certificate. Django class. Please share NumPy. Compulsory. Total notes of these three things I'll share. So, okay. So now, Mamata, so you are just awesome teacher, sir. Not only as a teacher and person, you are the best. Thank you, mom. Naga Karmuri. Sir, I really appreciate your dedication in providing the best subject to students. Even after the decades of teaching, your enthusiasm in teaching is commendable. I pray the God to provide good health and wealth. Thank you once again for your time and care. Thank you, Naga Karmuri. Okay, students. So you are such a kind-hearted person, sir. Thank you, my Indu. So Django notes also give us tomorrow, sir. Tomorrow only. Tomorrow only I have to give, huh? Okay. So Krishnaveni, this is my first message to you, sir. I am really glad to listen your overall classes, sir. I will rock the subject by knowing all the concepts told by you, sir. Krishnaveni, thank you, ma'am. So Anil Reddy, sir, drive link how many days available, sir? And Anil Reddy did not download so far anything. So he's getting a doubt. This link will be there so many days, but if they all of a sudden delete, what will happen? Problem now. That's why I will upload tomorrow. Total zip files I will upload. You try to download, students. Don't delay. Mohammad Jaki Ansari. You are a legend in your field, sir. I lucky to got a faculty like you. Thank you, sir, for everything. Once again, thank you. Jakir, thank you. So, Sahu, Madhumita Shahu. Today, new words coming. Such a great teaching of Python. No one can explain like you. Missing you, such an extraordinary teaching. All the rest of our life, we are missing you. Thank you, mom. Right, Deep. So when placement program and certificates are issued, and tomorrow the other modules will start. So other modules, full stack Python is containing a lot of other modules. You try to contact the admin, they will tell you UI modules and all those things that will start. Certificate also contact the admin. So Tanvita, sir, what job roles can we apply and knowledge of Python NumPy? One is Python developer, one more is analytics and analysis engineer. And AI also you learn, data science also you learn. Lot of skills are there. So Mohan Priya, from bottom of our hearts, very thankful to you, sir. And Tarun, don't give response for Django classes, sir. Okay. And he's saying disappointed. Sir is not saying answer for that. That's why disappointed. Tarun, my dear student. So Uday Kiran, thank you for your dedication and ignite the youngsters. Okay. So many messages to all the people, one and all. I am saying final message. So Narendra, thank you for your teaching, especially non-IT students. Blessed a great Python attended. Sai Kumar, sir, I attended. Oh, Pavan Reddy. I attend other faculty for Django classes, but after listening your class, I am not getting interest to join in that class, sir. Okay. So Pavan Reddy is giving one type of last. Finally, I will show Pavan message. I think Pavan is having great skill. So here I am writing. Pavan పైథాన్ తో వందల స్టూడెంట్స్ కు దారి చూపిన అతను మించిన టీచర్ ఎవరు? నెక్స్ట్ 30 years పైథాన్ ట్రేడింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ అని చెప్పిన అతను మించిన పైథానిస్ట్ ఎవరు? పైథాన్ టెరిటరీకి మించిన అతను కింగ్ ఎవరు? వాట్ ఈస్ నాట్ వాట్ నాట్ ఈజ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. హీ ఈస్ మోర్ దాన్ రోసమ్ టు స్టూడెంట్స్. స్టూడెంట్స్ వర్షిప్ ఈజ్ ఎక్సలెన్స్. వాట్ ఎ బ్యూటిఫుల్ మెసేజ్. సో అభిజిత్ షిండే. Abhijit Shinde is one of our student. He is the one, he started preparing the points like anything. So he is another one. It's correctly said, teaching is a noble profession. Teaching is a noble profession. Got experience the same and the response from students. Sir, you are only the faculty who teaching still made me to understand programming, that is Python. Sir, again, I hope I contact with soon for the data science class. Maybe 9 a.m. to what? 11 a.m. My dear students. Right. Next up. Thank you, Abhijit. Now, Gopi, one and only King KVR, sir. Okay. So, come on. Next. So, Venkatesh, QR code explained, ma. QR code explained or not? Even if it is not explained, I'll keep QR code is one type of what? Third party library. Only 3 lines are there. I already said in the class. So, Pavan, Python. Okay. Shanu, e-litmus exam was useful to us, sir. The e-litmus, it is your interest, my dear student. So last message. So now 10:45. Now it is almost coming to this. Sandeep, read Python notes, read well, and join any data science who teaches programming, my dear student. Now go to this place, last and final. Gopi, me and my friend Kalyan, after completing my MCA, we both of them are going to code next at Bangalore, but they are asked 35K for course fees. One of my friends suggested to attend your classes. After attending your classes, we are gaining excellent knowledge. Thank you, sir, for giving wonderful subject. So 35K for Python. Here, how much we institute is taken? Just see that. That is what. Instead of 6,000 you paid, rest of the 29,000 you can purchase by adding some 4, 5,000 or 10, 15,000. You can buy laptop now. You can do happily the coding and everything. So, Naveen, thank you, my dear student. So, Adit Kumar Singh, please start data science class, sir. Now I have confidence that you teach data science. Become master in that. Okay, students, thank you. All the best. Best of luck. Online students, my message is coming and I am logging it out. So I'm going to send a final message to all the students. Take care. All the best. Naveen, సింహాన్ని చూసా సార్. నరసింహాన్ని చూసా సార్. Okay, next. Next. After that, సింహాన్ని చూసా. Next. నరసింహాన్ని చూసా. Next. నన్ను చూసావు తర్వాత మిమ్మల్ని చూసా. That is what I said. Okay. Then, but cricket king Kohli, but Python king KVR. No, I'm like you only, but I'm elder than you. So I'm going to sit in front of you. So, okay, students. Thank you, my dear students. Now I'm going to say, I'm going to log out my class and I will talk to offline students and all the best. Good day, students. Thank you so much. All the best. I'm logging it out. So, Giridharan, thank you so much. North, South, East, West. You are the best in Python. Wish you happiness. Giridharan, thank you. Wow, what is this? So, it's a NumPy related question. This is accessing the values to x-axis, adding the values to y-axis, and then seeing the graph. It's not necessary to worry about it. Coordinates placing. It's like a graph. It's like a graph. So, students, you execute that. So, Abdul Fahad, today 11 a.m. my interview. There is an Accenture. All the best, Fahad. Take care. All the best. Okay, students, I'm logging it out. All the best. Take care.